Okay, this is another video from above again. It shows the river. It broke one bridge ahead, if you can see it, way up front. There was a bridge up there, but it's gone. There is another one over here, as you see. There we go. See? That's a bridge. It's cut off and it's sitting by itself. And it's going around like this. And here it goes around, goes around, and goes. And you see, that's the exit. Look again, we're going around it. You can see roads cut off. Nowhere to get anywhere. I feel bad for those people up there. Can't go anywhere. It's beautiful out here. The air is so fresh. You can hear the water still going. See? Alright. This is it.